Hello guys and welcome to volokinproject. This is Tony, your favorite tech YouTuber of them all. In front of me I've got a sweet little package I managed to get from Xiaomi UK official website about a week ago, guys. Two Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro phones, one Fidget Cube, I've got no idea what it is, but I'm about to find out, and the Xiaomi Band. Now, of course, I'm exercising 1 hour per day and I'm checking my activities with the Xiaomi U watch over here. But this band, I guess, is doing exactly the same. I'm gonna put it to the test, but that's gonna happen in another video. All of that I got for £260, guys, which is a crazy offer considering we're talking about the official Xiaomi UK web store with all the warranty and this because in the past people were complaining, oh Xiaomi, I have to buy from AliExpress, blah blah blah. No, you go online, official stores. Anyway, the usual price of this particular model is about £170 here in the UK, and there's a new phone that I just did the unboxing on, the Xperia L4, guys, and price wise these two phones are exactly the same, 169 in the UK. The Xiaomi is a little bit older, I guess about 6-7 months old now, but anyway, it packs a very serious punch, guys, and I can tell you from now that it's going to absolutely demolish the Xperia L4, but I'm gonna leave that for another video, guys. In today's particular video, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of the forest green option. And in case you're wondering what's gonna happen with the spare unit, am I going to give it away? Well, of course not. I'm just a regular broke British YouTuber with a huge credit card debt. So I'm gonna leave this to the side. I'm gonna wait for the final value fee on eBay, and I'm gonna get some cash back, guys. So let's have a look at these specifications first. Oh no, they're not in the box, and I haven't done any notes, so I'm gonna have to improvise on this one. Or shall I improvise or have a look at my other phone? Okay, that's the that's the Redmi K20 Pro, guys. I really love this phone. I've been rocking it for almost a year now, and let me just read through the main specifications. So 6.53 LCD 1080p screen. I've got the base version with 6 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of onboard storage, 4500 milliamp hours of battery, Helio G90T processor, which should be plenty capable for 1080p, 20 megapixel selfie camera. At the back we've got 4 cameras, actually 48 megapixel, no, 64 megapixel, bloody hell, 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra wide, and 2 megapixel cameras, 1 macro and 1 depth, and pretty much that is it for the main specifications of this phone, guys. Have I said the 4500 milliamp hours of battery? This is absolutely crazy, guys. And let's see what do we have, and is the phone any beautiful or it is not? But man, I mean, those Xiaomi phones, they're still offering an excellent value for money, guys. They're gonna put Sony out of business very soon. Well, HTC already died. You can see the A12 U12 Plus is still surviving somehow. I'm gonna do a quick size comparison against the other phones, guys, in just a second. But let's first see what are we getting over here, guys. I can imagine there's some instruction manuals over here. Let me have a quick look. Okay, SIM pin 2 and a case. Oh yeah, we've got a case. I'm gonna have to unbox this case very quickly, guys. Oh yeah, case. Nice addition. I like cases, especially after I broke a few touch screens. So I'm gonna leave the phone to the side for now, and let's see what else do we have. USB cable, and of course the power brick. Let me see how quick it is. 18.5 watts. Man, I'm fast at maths. And yeah, relatively quick charging, I would say. If it was Apple, it would have said that it's super fast. But anyway, but guys, this phone packs more spec than the iPhone SE, and it's twice less expensive, actually. Absolute first impression when I hold this phone, man, it is heavy. It is definitely heavy, guys. But let's flip this baby to the back. Oh my god. Oh my, check this out, guys. Check this out. This is absolutely ridiculous. Don't flash my email to another stolen devices. Please don't do that. Can you imagine? Anyways, let me peel off the image just in case, guys. In case you haven't seen it already, I'm not gonna even bother blurring that because I don't particularly care, to be honest with you. Now, check this out. What do we have? This back cover is beautiful, guys. It is absolutely beautiful. I've got the white version. Too bad that I'm not gonna unbox this one, but I can imagine it's gonna be quite nice as well. But the green one is absolutely amazing. Slapping the case. Let's see if it takes away from the color or not. Man, you always should start from the bottom. Now, oh yes, transparent case, it still looks amazing, guys. Absolutely fascinating, but I'm gonna take the case off for now and see what we get. We've got a protrusion over here on the camera. As you can see, the fingerprint reader is over here, guys. A little bit of a weird position, to be honest with you. Should have been somewhere around here and not here. It's gonna be hard to reach. I hope it has face unlock, but man, check this out. I mean, this is definitely glass, guys. Yeah. Could be plastic. Xiaomi managed to fool me before. Could be plastic, could be glass. I'm gonna try to crack it and I'm gonna let you know the results in the next video. 3.5mm jack. Oh yeah. USB Type-C at the top. Infrared. Can you imagine we still have an infrared port in phones? Well done, Xiaomi. The buttons feel amazing, guys. The frame is solid metal. It is not one of the plastic craps. And as you can see, I mean, again, 64 megapixel ultra camera and all the characteristics that I already bothered to put on the screen. I'm gonna peel this baby off and I'm gonna put it on the side over here, guys. But man, this phone feels amazing in the hand. Let me see. I'm gonna power this baby on, and in the meantime, let's see what else do we have, guys. I'll leave this one over here. In terms of size, compared to the K20 Pro, it's actually just a little bit bigger and just a little bit thicker, but it has a bigger battery. So yeah, it feels more substantial though. It feels definitely more substantial, and it's equally beautiful, to be honest with you. I like this one a little bit more, but the green one definitely looks legit. So check this out. Compared to the HTC over here, check this out, guys. Exactly as thick as the HTC, but 1000 milliamp hours of battery more inside. And it's a little bit bigger, but the screen is considerably bigger. So this is the L4, the main competitor over here. Okay, it is as big, but it's actually wider. There's the Oppo Reno Z, amazing phone, by the way. Oppo Reno Z, well done, guys. MTK processor as well inside. It's a little bit smaller over here. I'm running out of space. I've got no idea where are my boundaries over here because there's a new camera setup. But anyways, Honor 8X, if you're still rocking the amazing Honor 8X, that's the phone that made me famous, by the way. Quite a lot of views on those videos. It is a little bit bigger. Man, it's a little bit bigger than anything else, to be honest with you. There's the Motorola One. Okay, way bigger. I don't like this phone, by the way. And the Galaxy S9. I used to shoot my videos with the Galaxy S9, but since they don't have a manual mode for the videos, which I really need for this particular environment, that's what we get, guys. So yeah, it is a big phone. It's definitely a big phone. Actually, I'm gonna leave this one over here. It is definitely a big phone, guys. No denying, but man, it is amazing. And actually, you know what? I usually do some kind of a first impressions, but from what I can see over here, the phone is absolutely worth 169 pounds UK money. If you order it through AliExpress and wait a month, you can get it for something like 150, 130, something like that. But man, official phone with warranty, with everything. I like what I see, and I think, check this out. There should be glass, because this one is glass as well. This one is glass as well. Let me see if I push it a little bit. Man, I can't tell. I mean, either they've used a really high quality plastic or it is glass. But anyway, I like the way it feels and it looks, guys. But that might be the next Budget King. I know you're gonna say there are newer, Xiaomi devices, 9S, this and that. But man, this color alone is absolutely worth the money, guys. So yeah, that was about it for today's video, guys. I'm gonna be relatively quick with the review, and I'm gonna do some comparisons against the Xperia L4, but I have a feeling that the Xperia stands absolutely no chance against that beast, guys. I'm gonna do a speed test as well, because we've got 720p over here and we've got 1080p over here. I'm going to actually, you know what, bonus content. Right, what is that? What is that, guys? I really want to know what is that. It cost only £2, so that's the main reason that I bought it. Right. Okay, that's kind of a like a little Lego type of thing, which I've got no idea what I'm gonna do with that, but I guess I'm gonna have to read the instruction manuals, which is in Chinese and in English. All right, so it shouldn't be that hard to do, and yeah, I'm gonna feature that in my review, guys, because I don't know how long it's gonna take. And this is the band over here. You know what, more bonus content, more bonus content. Let me unbox this band and see what it is about. It's extremely cheap for whatever reason. I guess on AliExpress you can get one for like £17, something like that. And on the Xiaomi, considering the promotion, they gave it to me for like £10. So £10 for a smart tracking device. Let's see, we've got a cable over here. What is that? What is it? What is that in the box? Don't break anything. Okay, this one doesn't want to come off. Right, so instruction manuals. There's the charging station. Okay, good charging station. And let me see the band itself. What we are dealing with over here, guys. Man, so much bonus content. I mean, give me a quick thumbs up and subscribe to volokinproject, guys. You're not gonna see that anywhere else. So much bonus content. Wow. Right. How does that work? Okay. That's good. Actually, you know what? Let me put it on my hand very quickly. I'm gonna take off the humidity watch over here, which I really like, to be honest with you. This one has a blood sensor, pressure testing sensor. And this one, I'm having too much fun, guys. I don't particularly like the locking mechanism over here, and I really have no idea what is that. But anyway, it is on. I've got no idea how to turn it on because I haven't read the instruction manuals. But man, it looks okay. It looks legit. Yeah, it looks like you have some sort of a, you know, a restrictive device on your wrist, like home arrest or something. But yeah, anyway, thank you very much for watching, guys. That was the bonus content for that video. This is a beast, and I can't wait to destroy the Xperia L4 with this phone. So stay tuned for more content. Thank you very much for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe to volokinproject.